The NanoAssemblr Spark is ideal for discovery and early preclinical development of RNA-Lipid nanoparticles, enabling rapid, microliter formulations to conserve limited or expensive ingredients with minimal waste. Like all NanoAssemblr instruments, the Spark uses proprietary NxGen microfluidic technology for controlled and reproducible manufacturing of LNPs. The Spark enables formulations at volumes from 50 to 250 microliters, encapsulating a few micrograms of RNA with minimal waste, and takes less than 10 seconds to formulate. The resulting LNPs can be diluted and applied immediately to cell culture. Additionally, the Spark is designed to be placed in a biosafety cabinet to integrate easily into a sterile cell culture workflow. Applications for the Spark include nucleic acid delivery and screening, nanoparticle design and screening, and drug discovery and target validation. Formulating lipid nanoparticles on the Spark is as simple as pipetting. Spark cartridges with NxGen technology are designed to rapidly and consistently mix lipids and solvent with RNA and buffer to control the self-assembly of RNA LNPs, followed by on-chip dilution. With typical RNA LNP materials, Spark cartridges are designed to mix with a 2:1 aqueous to organic volume ratio, followed by a 1:1 dilution. The Spark setting is chosen based on the volume of the formulation. Guidelines for choosing a setting are provided in the Spark Instrument User Guide. To achieve the best results using Spark and to avoid premature flow into the microfluidic channels, it is important to use the correct technique when pipetting fluids into the Spark cartridge. The NanoAssemblr Spark has 4 operating modes, 3 formulation modes, and 1 to prepare the Spark for an aseptic setting. The first mode is auto. In this mode, the Spark reads a cartridge and enters kit mode or formulation mode automatically based on the cartridge programming. In kit mode, inserting a cartridge associated with certain Spark kits will automatically select predetermined instrument settings appropriate for that kit. Formulation mode allows users the flexibility to select settings suitable for formulations of different volumes and to optimize settings for their materials. Some Spark kits use formulation mode, so check your Spark kit user guide for details. Finally, the purge mode will allow the user to purge the internal system with ambient air. This is an important step when the Spark is first installed in an aseptic environment, such as a biosafety cabinet. To perform a formulation on the Spark, load fluids into the wells in descending order of volume, wells 1, 2, and 3 consecutively. Start by dispensing the required dilution buffer into the largest well, well 1. Next, dispense the aqueous phase containing the nucleic acid in the appropriate formulation buffer into the middle well, well 2. Then, dispense the organic phase containing the lipid into the smallest well, well 3. Cartridges should be filled immediately before loading into the Spark instrument. Pre-filling of cartridges in advance is not recommended. After pipetting all components, check for any bubbles that may be at the bottom of the inlet wells, and if present, use a sterile needle to remove them. Securely place the cap over the Spark cartridge and insert the capped cartridge into the Spark as shown. The status light will illuminate green when successfully inserted. If you are in formulation mode, select the appropriate setting based on the formulation volume. Here we'll be using setting 3. Now press the Start button. When the formulation is done, the Spark screen will indicate the completion of the formulation. Remove the cartridge from the Spark. Remove the cap. And using a pipette, collect the formulation from the output well, well 1. Dispense the formulation into a tube containing dilution buffer for an additional 1:1 dilution. Now perform the nucleic acid quantification to determine the dosing volume. The NanoAssemblr Spark is the only instrument that combines the exquisite control of non-turbulent NxGen microfluidic mixing with microliter process volumes to enable researchers to reproducibly formulate microgram quantities of nucleic acids into lipid nanoparticles and make efficient use of precious materials. The NanoAssemblr Spark is specifically designed for in vitro and ex vivo screening. With simple operation and gamma-irradiated cartridges, Spark integrates seamlessly into a sterile cell culture workflow, empowering on-demand formulations to accelerate discovery and early preclinical development of RNA-Lipid nanoparticles. For more information about the Spark and companion Spark products, visit precisionnanosystems.com.